the way the team views it is every year there's like a whole new set of skills that need to be learned, and we have to sort of decide which of those are important, and O'Reilly helps us pick the best of those to focus on.
What really opened the doors for me was Jessica McKellar's course, Introduction to Python. It was wonderful for me because it was so simple to understand, and she was so relatable. She really just made it look like something that I could do. So really that was the course that made me go, this is good.
There are enough examples where I can go out there, copy paste and try some stuff, but to get deeper into an area and even find out what areas are worth going deeper into, that's where I see the O'Reilly platform really helping pretty much the bulk of the developer community in the world.
It's very easy for me to go online and maybe quickly find a few relevant books. One of those will be probably like a best practice book, right? So it's really easy for me to find and just start reading right away. The O'Reilly online service is very simple to use, very straightforward.
You get live lessons which actually get you in touch with cutting-edge topics. You spend 2 hours or 4 hours with a person who's done this for the last 20 years. You get a perspective which otherwise no book can actually give you just like that. You get access to that wealth of knowledge in a short period of time, and then you use the learning parts to dig deeper. For the working professional, if you want the continuous learning aspect, I think it's the best platform.